To use satellite navigation in your Mazda that features a Mazda Connect system, make sure your handbrake is on and your car is in accessories mode. To set a destination, select Navigation on your Mazda Connect home screen or press the Nav button on the commander. From the menu, select Add Destination, then select Search. Enter the place name, suburb or full address using the on-screen keyboard. Predictive suggestions will be provided as entry progresses to help shortcut this process for you. Push the commander dial right to access these suggestions. Once you have entered your required address, simply select Start. The route will be calculated and displayed, including an ETA. To save a location as a favourite, search for a destination and select Add to Favourites. To navigate to or save a phone contact's address as a favourite, make sure a device is paired via Bluetooth and contact import is allowed. Find the contact in Communications and Contacts. Select the address and then select Navigate here or Add to Favourites. The contact's address needs to be saved in the phone to use this feature. For more information on all the features of your Mazda's satellite navigation system, refer to your owner's manual or visit mazda.com.au.